In my last video, I showed you and told you my story about this camcorder, the Canon Vixia HF R700. But today we're gonna do a video test on all different FPS and different lightings, like low light and like highlight, or like, well, not saying highlight, but daylight. So anyways, let's get into it. Alright, so we're recording in the 720p mode. Let's just say this is pretty good. Now we're in the 1080p mode, as you can see here, if it looks clearer. Yep. Alright, so we're now in the higher quality version of the 1080p mode. So now we're in the 1080p at 60 FPS mode, as you can see there. It's pretty alright, but as you notice, it went from 30 FPS to 60 FPS. That's the remote I'm recording now. So now back to the iPhone, and now we're back. So before we do low light, this does not have a flash, so all you're gonna see is darkness most likely. Or I'll do it before darkness so you don't see all dark, so you can see some of the low light video. But anyways, let's get into low light video. Alright, so it's been a little while, but here is the low light test in 720p. So it's alright, as you can see here. Now we are recording in the 1080p mode now, the 17-bit rate in megabits a second. So it's pretty cool. Our zoom works, you know. And now we are recording in the 1080p at 30 FPS, but it's the 24 megabits a second option. It's so 30 FPS, as you can see here. And now, alright, so now we're at 60 FPS, which is great, because now we're at the 35 megabits of rate option, bit rate option for the Canon Vixia HF R700. So yeah, so this pretty much concludes the video. It's the low light test, and so back to the iPhone. Okay, so we're done with the test. Low light was decent, this lighting was okay. So now, what was your opinion on these tests, and which looked the best? Comment that down below, and I guess I will see you in the next video, and peace out.